I never even yet. I know looking to do so and go and organize to do that. Yeah. Get some nice tire, put them thing on.
Like this, or I think it behind your head too. This way.
Yeah. Yeah.
And those are 50. But this here, it will be coming out, like how this will be coming out. I don't
Yes.
want it coming
It stands.
I will kind of
Flush. So about a day or two ago, my buddy purchased this 96 EK hatch, and we'll be changing out some stuff today. Probably the wheels, and probably putting on a back lip and a front lip on it. Alright, so 2 minutes later, just kidding, probably about 10 minutes later, wheels are on. He hated these, so went to buy those just to probably pull down the car a bit. Not sure if you want to drop it or not, but this is where we are right now. So it's time to go and get some tape, two-sided tape for the lips, and some bolts by the parts store, and back at it. I never even yet. I know looking to do so and go and organize to do that. So we have the front lip fully on the car. Looks good. Just chopped up to do the back. Just said she's helping. Henry? Yeah, she's helping. This is how she helps. So look who showed up. Yuri.
Should I just tell me why he doesn't just tell me bring my camera though?
Yuri.
If you want to do all this.